Let us switch to CableCreation CC1155 USB-C to USB-C cable to connect my DJI Mini 3 remote control and my OnePlus Acer 2 Pro. Connect USB-C cable to the remote controller's USB-C female port. Connect another side to my OnePlus Acer 2 Pro. Start the DJI Fly app. Start the aircraft. We can get the camera. Justin would use the remote stick to start the aircraft. Okay, here we can get Justin just starts up the aircraft. Okay, let us go back to the smartphone screen. We can get the Justin is just using the remote stick to control the aircraft. Through this video, we can get the CableCreation CC1155 can connect my OnePlus Acer 2 Pro and my DJI remote control.